Delinquent.
Wise punks. Tough punks. You think you're getting away with something. Well, I'm gonna give you a big, fat message. You ain't getting away with nothing. We're hip to all of you. And one of these days, it's gonna be the long, slow ride up that dirty river. Sing Sing. Where the nights are long, cold, and miserable. Where the food is slop. And every time you open your filthy mouths, the gods are gonna bust every bone in your stupid, crummy heads. Sing Sing, with its solitary confinement and the electric chair.
Wait a second. I didn't do that. I said, help me out, Monk. Do something.
Shut up.
Okay. I will say nothing. Whatever you say, Sergeant, I won't say a word.
Shut up!
I ain't gonna say a word, boy. If you ever tell me to shut up, I keep my mouth shut. What am I gonna get myself in trouble, huh?
Tonight you get a break. It just happens this is Be Kind to Rats Week. We got orders to let you go. But the next time, it's gonna be that long, slow ride. Now go on, get out of here, all of you. Crawl back in your holes.
Thanks a lot, Sergeant. Oh, I appreciate it, Sergeant.
It's all right.
Thank you very much for letting me go. I didn't want to go to jail, Sergeant. Thank you. You're a terrific cop. Thank you very much, Sergeant. He's a wonderful sergeant, this sergeant. He's not going to put me in jail. I'm not going to put it. I didn't want to hang on to the violence.
Delinquent.